There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
Thanks everybody for joining in live. My name is Dominik and I will take you through the monthly insider call for Kraitos and Kraitos X. We do these calls every single month, every first Monday of the month, where we go through different settings, through different accounts, so we can see what is going on with Kraitos, how we can make it better, and so on. So first of all, I would like to let you know that like the standard settings that we are running on Kraitos, they're the same settings for the last 12 months. We didn't change anything. We did change some settings on Kraitos X like 3 or 4 months ago. Since then, we didn't also change anything. I will show you some accounts. I will also show you some results. And also the settings that I'm running. I will also share with you one of the accounts that I am running for a longer time. And I really think this is like the strategy to go with if you have a bigger account. What I mean with that account, bigger than 15,000, at least $15,000 or euros, or if you have like 20,000 euros, even better. So let us jump in. So first of all, okay, we can do this later. And let's go here into my FX book. So you can see here one of the FX books that we started right now. It's at 3.07% a month. I think he's running Kraitos X and Kraitos. So he had like here a little bit of a loss. I think this was Kraitos X, and also here he had a little bit of a loss. I think he's running 5% equity protector. What it's like also good. But anyway, I will share this here the results of the account that it's running the standard settings for Kraitos and Kraitos X. As you can see, this account is up 30% for the year. It's a little bit more of a conservative account. It's doing like 7%, April like almost 10%, and now in May 5.81%. So I'm gonna tell you right now, the best way to run Kraitos is that you have at least like 3,000, even better, 5,000 euros in your account, because then you will see the right results. So I will jump in first into Kraitos, and I will show you first of all the Kraitos settings, the standard Kraitos settings. Let me see. This is, wait, what is this? This is not the right one. Okay, so here it's my live account, one of the live accounts that I am running. Right now I'm in like 2.5% drawdown, nothing major. So I will show you how I'm running this account. So these are like the standard settings. I'm running 0.01 per 5,000. I'm running 5 pairs at the same time. This is like all the standard pairs: AUD CAD, NZD CAD, GBP USD, Euro USD, AUD USD, NZD USD, and also USD CAD. My spread filter, it's at 3. Minimum required distance between trades and pips, it's 60. 30. Cross directional allowed. Smart money conflicts, I have it on false. Smart money only, I have it set to true. Quantum zone strategy set also to false. Initial trade take profit, it's 30, true, and 10. Take profit on managing trades, it's 30, true, and 10. Take profit at pivot levels, it's set to false. At the position, if positive, it's set to false. add to position after X pips 45, 25, but anyway, it doesn't work because it's set to false. Relaxing after X many of trades, I have it set to 4. Actually, I have to set it here like a little bit higher because you can see I have NZD cat 4 trades open. So I'm just gonna set it here to 6 because I don't even like look at these accounts anymore because I trust Kraitos like fully. Max allowed lot size, I have 0.36, so I have my balance divided with 15,000. Keep trading after equity protector. It's reached, it's set to true. MT5 notification. Actually, I'm gonna put it here to 0 because I don't need this notification. Chill out when drawdown percentage it's reached. It's at 10, so I'm far away from that. So these are like my settings. I'm not touching them. I'm always running the same settings. So if you want to run the same settings, you can do a screenshot. But me personally, I'm not running Kraitos or Kraitos X under 0.01 per 5,000, and I will also show you why I think the smaller lot size, starting small starting lot size is better than the bigger starting lot size, and I will show you exactly what I mean. So these are the settings that I'm running. Right now, we're gonna jump into Kraitos X so I can show you the standard settings I'm running on Kraitos X. So you can see here, this is the account. Right now, here you can see I'm running this 0.01 per thousand, but personally, I would, this is like one of my testing accounts because I started like a small account with just 550 to see how it's gonna run. But Kraitos X, I will also run 0.01 per 5,000, not smaller. And I will also explain to you why. And you can see here, I have my spread filter at 20. Minimum required distance between trades and pips, it's 1,800. Then I have here 1,300. Same candle trading, I have it set to false. Smart money time frame, daily. Smart money confluence, false, true, false. Initial trade take profit, it's at 300, true, and 150. Managing trades take profit settings, I have it set to true, and I have trailing stop loss on managing trades set to false, because if I'm managing trades open, I want to get out as soon as possible. Take profit at pivot levels, it's set to false, false. Relaxing after recommended trades, 5%. 5 trades, I have it here, equity protector 50% because it's a smaller account. You can see right now it's like 0.78% drawdown. Max allowed lot size, it's 0.01. It's my balance divided with 20,000, so it's 0.1. Keep trading after equity protector, it's reached, it's set to true, but it's even better to set it false. MT5 notification, 0 here too, and chill out when drawdown it's reached at 50%. So these are like my settings for Kraitos X. If you want to go more conservative, start with 0.01 per 2,500, even 0.01 per 3,500. It's even better, but this is my testing account, so I'm just going to run it as aggressive as possible, and we're gonna press OK. So this account is actually performing like really amazing. So you can maybe put together an account like this, call it like, I don't know, like your gambling account. And as you see right now, this account, let me update this. This account is doing actually 35% a month, like what it's like a crazy result. But it's gonna go lower because right now the lot size is not gonna increase. It is like such a big result because I started with a $550 account, so it already did like 104% altogether. I'm also running on this account Euro USD, AUD USD, GBP USD, and USD CAD. I only allow 2 trades at the time to trade, and cross directional allowed. But as you can see, we did like 1.20% today, and like percentages per month, 54.30. So yeah, the first month was like really, really amazing. But yeah, also we can do also this type of results. But what I want to show you, I want to show you one account that I'm like really impressed with. Don't mind like these like spikes up and down. This like never happened. I don't know why my FX book is actually showing this way. But if we go here into custom analysis, let me see something. All, and if we remove gold, I think then it's gonna show it the right way. I don't know why like this happened. There was like no losses. Let me see something. Okay, let's wait that it loads. But anyway, like this account, it's running like really interesting settings. I will share with you the settings so you can see here how nice it is growing. Like I don't know why, like if we remove gold, like it goes back to normal. But anyway, this account is doing like almost 10% a month, and the biggest drawdown was 11%, but that was like only like once. And I'm running on this account like all the pairs, and I will share with you the settings. And what is like interesting with this account is that I'm running 0.01 per 20K. So the starting lot size is like really, really small. And like when the market moves, and the market will always like move, and like it's like hard to predict the market. Like it doesn't matter if some pair is just doing like few pips a month, like movement. Also, AUD cat can go on a run that it's usually like a really like a slow pair. But here it doesn't matter what the market does. You're always going to be on the safe side of the market. And you can see right now we have like $200 like minus on a 37K account. This is like only 0.68. So yeah, this account is like really like an impressive account, but you need like at least 15,000 or even better 20,000 on this on your account if you want to run this type of the settings. But what is the most interesting thing is that like Euro JPY, GBP JPY, GBP USD, AUD JPY, the pairs that like moving like the most are making like the biggest profit. And also like gold, I'm running 0.01 per 20,000. And it's also like performing really amazing and doing like amazing results. And you can see here, if we go to summary, gold is also like one of the top performing pairs. I think like maybe we could like even lower like gold like to even like maybe run it like 0.01 per 10,000. But anyway, I want to show you. You can see running 0.01 per 20, it's like almost like one of the best performing pairs. I think it's gonna get like really fast as the top performing pair. So you can see now, like if we like do it like that, like we analyze everything, then the chart is like really nice. It doesn't mess up. But yeah, we're almost up like 100% in like less than like 6 months. So I think we can really do like 200% or even more with this account. So the settings that I'm running on this account, let me open up. I'll open up another my FX book, another VPS. Sorry. Okay, let me just open it. So a lot of like my customers, like that they have like bigger accounts, they started like also running these settings, and they're like really happy. I will also show you like some of their results also on live accounts. But anyway, you can see here, this is the, which Kraitos is the, Kraitos. Okay, this is the phone. Share. Okay, this is the one. Okay, so you can see it right now here. I will also share the settings with you, but like what is like really interesting, you can see like how it's like catching like all the moves in the market, like no problem. You can see here, like when we started trading USD JPY, like we caught like the whole move to the upside. We are catching like all the moves like to the downside. It's just like beautiful to watch, like how Kraitos works in these like market conditions. Like it's like almost like nothing can like hurt Kraitos with like this type of settings. And you can even make it a little bit more conservative. I'm gonna show you like how you can do it. But these are like the settings. I'm running every single pair that Kraitos is supporting. There's like 24 pairs that Kraitos is supporting. You can see here 0.01 per 20,000, 30 pairs at the same time. So it can trade all the pairs. Minimum required distance between trades, it's 75 and 20, and then decision units in PIP 25. Uh, I have like all the filters off, like even the correlation filter, it's turned off. If you want to go like more conservative and like you're on a live account, I would like here tell you to put to the cross directional allowed. It's gonna be a little bit smaller profit, but still I gotta show you one of my guys. It's running the exact same settings as you see here. The only thing is that he has cross directional allowed, and I will show you like also his result. Smart money conflicts, false, true, false. I have it set here to 30, true, and 5. And here I have it 100, true, and 40 because I want to go for more profit, give it like a little bit more breathing room too. Take profit at pivot levels, false, add to position, false. Relaxing after X many trades, I have it set here to 10 because I want to see like how it works. Everything I have like 100%. It never reached even like 20%. So you can just set it to 25% here as it is before. Max allowed lot size 1. So here it's like a little bit different. Actually, I'm like here still, even though the account is at 40K, I'm still keeping it at 1. I think I'm just gonna put it up like maybe like 25% when it reaches 40K. So it's gonna be like the max allowed lot size 1.25. I don't want to increase the max allowed lot size because it's like I think 1 it's enough even for 40K for this type of settings. Keep trading after equity protector reach. It's true, 0, and then also 100. So one of my customers, he's running it here, true, and I will also show you like his results so you can see his result. Stop share. I have to switch it to my Facebook. If you have any questions, please type them into the chat so I can answer them. But you can see here, this is like one of my customers, my Facebook that he started running these settings like, I don't know, like May 13, so like 1 month. And you can see in 1 day, he actually did like almost like 10%. He did like 10% like in 1 day. And this happened, why? And you can see like he's running all of them and his drawdown is now 0.59%, like nothing. But you can see here history. He's also running gold 0.01 per like 5,000 or 10,000, I think. And you can see here GBP JPY. You can see here how amazing this strategy is because you start like really low 0.01. You see, then the market moves like 400 pips. You see, it moved 400 pips. It open up another trade 0.11, only 0.30, 0.67, and you can see all these big trades. The last 2 big trades like took everything and it did like actually like 10%. So this is like you start like really slow, but then like when the market really moves against you, because usually when the market moves like 400 like to 600 pips, there is gonna be a pullback of at least like 100 pips or like 150 pips, and that's it's enough that you make like a really amazing profit and not like a lot of risk. So this is like the strategy behind it. And also I'm running like the gold settings, the exact same like what I show you, like the gold strategy, only that I'm running at 0.020. So yeah, this strategy, it's like really amazing. I already shared the MyFX book in Discord and all the settings. You can like here also see the settings. If you want to run it for yourself, you can also do it. But yeah, this is it. Maybe like I can show you one more thing, and I can show you actually like the new version of Kraitos and Kraitos X that we are working on that actually has hedging inside. This is like at least like a month away before we release it to the public, but I can share it here with you so you can see what we are working on. And this strategy, I mean, it's like really amazing, like what we did, because playback speed, I can put it faster, because we did like actually we did in hedging, and you will see. Let me just move faster. So you can see here we input hedging, so it now trades hedging. And like just like in the last back test that we did like on Euro USD, actually like from here, this back test from 1st of August 2023 till the 30th of May, like this year, just on gold, like trading 0.01 per 2,500, the account grew from here. You can see the initial balance was 10,000. So it's like August, September, October, November, December. So like in 10 months, the account grew for 400%. It went from 10,000 to 480%. The biggest drawdown was like, I think like 25% or 27%. And even with the biggest, with those big spikes like that, like the gold really went like on the runs, like to the all-time highs, like it didn't do anything to it. And like already now I have another call scheduled like in like 2 hours and a half, like with the developers, where we're gonna put in like some even more things in that is gonna make it even better. But yeah, this is like just around the corner. I hope we can release it in the next 30 days. But this is gonna be like a complete game changer for everyone, because it's gonna be less risk, even less risky, and even more profitable. So yeah, this is what we are working on. I hope you got some value from this call. Share it with people. Oh, here's some question and answer. And do you have a list of all pairs for Kratos? What does ECN stand for? Yeah, I have like all the pairs. I can send the list like into the Discord. ECN just shares like through like instant processing. Is just like low spread, like nothing special. ECN is just like low spread accounts. Every broker has that. They just charge you commission on the trades. So this is it. If there's like any more questions, okay. If there's like no more questions, thank you everyone that joined in live, and also thank you everybody that watched this recording. And see you next month. And I hope next month we already have when we have our call, that we already gonna have like the new version live for everybody. Take care and have a great trading month. Bye guys.